Hi, are you spending too much of time writing personalized cold outreach messages manually? What if your browser could do it for you? I'm Lakmal, founder of Snappit. Snappit is a workflow automation tool that helps you to save 90% of your time on your repetitive browse tasks. Let me show you how you can build your own tool that automatically generates cold messages from any LinkedIn profile, context aware, personalized, and ready to send. First, we need to install the Snippet Chrome extension. To do that, I'm searching for Chrome Web Store in my browser and navigate to it. Next, I search for Snippet in the store, then open the extension page. Install Snippet and pin it to the Chrome toolbar to make it easier to access in the future. To open the extension, just click on the Snappit icon. It will open in the side panel. If this is your first time using Snappit, you will be redirected to the login screen. You can log in using your Google account in just a few clicks. Now, I'm going to create a new project. Projects are the primary way to organize and share flows with your team. Click Create Project, fill in the details and hit Create. Next, I will create a new flow by clicking Create a Flow, giving it a name, in this case LinkedIn Outreach, and then clicking Create. Once the flow is created, you will be taken to the editor where you can build and customize your workflow. Now, I will switch to my LinkedIn tab with the profile I need to send a personalized message. I will start by adding a new step and change it to a trigger step. I click Locate Target and choose where I want action button to appear. In this case, I need trigger button to appear bottom right of the profile section. Once the target is selected, I will update the URL segment to use dynamic value. This ensures Snappit adds the action button to every profile I visit, not just this specific profile. Next, I will add copy steps to extract profile content. To capture the full section of an element, I click and hold until Snappit select parent element and then click once to make the selection. I am copying the profile, about, experience and education section separately. This makes it easier to prompt ChatGPT with each set of details in a more structured way. Next, I open a new browser tab and navigate to the ChatGPT. In the Snappit editor, I add Go step pointing to the ChatGPT URL. Then I add a type step to enter our prompt into the message input box. I select the prompt input as target. For the value, I use a pre-written prompt that includes my personal and product details. You can fully customize this prompt based on your own context. Now, I add a click step to send the prompt to ChatGPT. To give a ChatGPT a moment to start responding, I insert a sleep step with the 5-second delay. Next, I add a copy step and select the ChatGPT response container as the target. Don't worry, if ChatGPT takes longer than expected, the copy step will wait until element is stable before proceeding. Once the steps for ChatGPT are complete, I select them all, right-click and choose Wrap with Block. Then I change the block type tab. This ensures ChatGPT opens in a new tab, so the LinkedIn profile remains open in the background. Now I switch back to the LinkedIn tab and click the message button on the profile. I use type step to insert ChatGPT's response into the message input area. For the value, I reference the variable containing copied ChatGPT message. After that, I save the flow and close the side panel. Finally, I refresh the LinkedIn profile. You will see our Snappit Action button appear in the bottom right corner of the profile. When I click the button, it launches Snappit and I simply hit run. In just a few seconds, Snappit generates a personalized call message and pastes it directly into the LinkedIn message box. I gave it a quick review and add some human flavor to it and hit send. A fully personalized outreach message crafted in seconds.
That's it. You just build your own tool that automates cold outreach with a few clicks, saving hours of copying, pasting, and rewriting while increasing your personalization game. This is just one example what the Snappit can do. For more details and use cases, head over to our documentation page. The link is in the description. If you have any idea on how Snappit can help automate your workflow, reach out to us at support@enginoval.com. If this was helpful, share it with others who might want to save 90% of their time too. See you next time.